What if you could get true flagship camera power and massive 2-day battery life, all in a phone that feels amazing in your hand? Stop waiting for Pro Max phones. This is the OPPO Reno 15, and it's here to redefine the premium mid-range. We've spent time with the Reno 15, and in 3 minutes, we're breaking down the 3 massive upgrades: the Periscope camera, the colossal battery, and the beautiful compact form factor. Let's dive in. First, the feel. OPPO has engineered the Reno 15 with an elegant aluminum alloy frame and a sleek glass back. But the real star is the display. It's a gorgeous 6.32-inch 1.5K OLED panel with a blazing fast 120Hz refresh rate. Crucially, it's a flat display with nearly invisible 1.15mm bezels, making it one of the most comfortable and compact high-end phones you can buy right now. The vibrant colors, the crystal shield glass protection, it's a premium package that looks and feels sophisticated. Powering all that imaging hardware and the brilliant display is the phone's other headline feature: the battery. The Reno 15 packs a massive 6,200 mAh cell. That is one of the largest batteries you will find in any high-end smartphone today, easily pushing you through heavy use and into a second day. When it's time to top up, the 80-watt Super VOOC charging gets you back to full in a flash. Under the hood, the Dimensity 8450 processor and up to 16 GB of RAM keep everything running lightning fast, making multitasking, gaming, and app switching feel completely effortless. Now, let's talk power, specifically the imaging power. The Reno series has always been about the camera, but this time, OPPO has delivered a true flagship setup. It all starts with the 200-megapixel main sensor with OIS, which captures ridiculous levels of detail. But the absolute game changer is the inclusion of a dedicated 50-megapixel Periscope Telephoto lens. That means you get 3.5x optical zoom, a feature that literally changes how you take photos. You can frame perfect portraits or capture distant architecture without losing a single drop of quality. Rounding out the system is the 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a sharp 50-megapixel front camera. Plus, the new ColorOS 16 AI is on board, offering smart tools like the Lumo engine for flawless low-light shots and instant AI photo repair. This is a complete, no-compromise photography studio in your pocket. So, here's the breakdown. The OPPO Reno 15 is one of the most compelling all-rounders of the year. It delivers a flagship camera experience with that critical 3.5x periscope zoom, backs it up with a gigantic 6,200 mAh battery, and wraps it all in a truly elegant design. If you're looking for power and endurance without breaking the bank, the Reno 15 is a must-see. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.